here for this experiment I don't have the manual. Okay, so you have to do it your own way. Since convolution, you know the convolution, then you can perform the easily the correlations. Okay? But first, let me explain the correlation. Okay. I will show only two equations for correlation. Is my screen visible?
No, sir. No, Somnaji, it is not visible now.
Okay, I'm showing.
One interim announcement, the students. I have created the assignment for experiment number 4. Okay, so you can see the assignment just after finishing the lab. It will be visible to you, and you have to submit your lab journal for experiment number 4 against that by today evening 6 p.m. Okay, so it will not accept after 6 p.m. So I hope you all have done your experiment carefully and you have been completed and you are all ready with your lab journal. Okay, so it will not take much time, but still I have kept it open up to 6 p.m. today. Okay, so you all have to submit your lab journal for experiment number 4 itself up to 6 p.m. All right. Then for today's experiment number 5, we'll create the assignment tomorrow, and that will be open until the next experiment, next class, right? But today you have to complete uploading your lab journal for experiment number 4. All right. Okay. Please, Samnaji, please carry.
Yes, yes. So now we'll see correlation and cross autocorrelation. What do you mean by correlation? Is that generally you can see the example that when from the radar one signal is transmitted, then from some object it is reflected. So we get two signals, one transmitted and one is reflected. So we compare these two. These two are same signal. Okay, these two are same signal, but we can compare these two, and by uh, measuring, since it gets delayed, okay, the transmitted signal and after reflecting there is some phase difference. So by measuring the phase difference you can predict the distance, okay, distance of the object from your radar or from some navigation point, so you can detect the object. So this is the basic application of correlation. Okay, so in this case, since these two signals are same, okay, same in nature, but they are delayed versions, so that is called autocorrelation. So comparison between two same signals represents autocorrelations. But if there are two different signals, okay, then the comparison, okay, between that two signal is done by cross correlation. So two correlation, one is called one is autocorrelation, another is cross correlation. So and their formula is this one. Okay. So suppose that we have two real sequence xn and yn, okay, and their cross correlation is given by x n y, and this is symbol r x y of L. Okay, that is equal to this summation xn yn minus L. Okay, and you can see that if say xn is say one reference signal and yn is what is another signal which is varied, okay, by L amount, by L delay. Okay. So for one particular value of L, okay, we have to find the value of L for which they will have some maximum this value. So we can find that way. So this is the formula that xn into yn minus L. Okay. And whereas in convolution, you can compare the convolution formula is that yn is equal to summation xk h n minus k. Okay. So so here no, what is the formula for convolution? Can anybody tell what is the formula for convolution? You just compare these two formula for convolution. You can see in the screen that x of n is x1k and x2n minus k. Okay. So here actually this index of k, this index of x1 and the index of x2, shift this value k. These two are same, x1k and x2n minus. And whereas the case for this one, okay, correlation is xn into yn minus n. So just difference in the second term. In the previous case, it was x1k x2n minus k, and here it is opposite. Okay. If you assume so it is actually in place of yn, you say you have done the program for convolution. So in place of n, you just reverse it, make it minus n. Okay. So minus n. Okay, isn't it? So here x of n yn minus l. This you have to write. Okay, this the coding for this summation or this equation you have to write. Okay, and you can take the help from the program for convolution and just see the difference between that two, convolution and correlation. Okay, here L is here and here L is there, and L is in when L is, we are just shifting the one sequence. Okay, but here actually in case of this one, okay, here it is x2 of n. You can see x2 of n, xn is equal to summation x1k x2 of n minus k. So you have to write, and this is the cross correlation, and also another formula for cross correlation is there, like if you interchange the variable, we can shift the other signal. Okay, like here in this case we have shifted the signal y, and in this case we have shifted the signal x. Okay. And what is autocorrelation? Autocorrelation is, okay, first you perform the cross correlation, okay, of this example, and also you can perform, and yes, this is the cross correlation autocorrelation of autocorrelation function, you can see that here it is written that autocorrelation here. Okay. Here you can see one important line, that the convolution of xn with y minus n yields cross correlation. Okay. So cross correlation is what? Convolution between xn with y minus n. Okay. So if you know the program for convolution and you want to find the cross correlation, so just calculate the convolution between the two signals. One will remain same and other will just make the reversing time axis. Suppose you want to calculate the convolution, a correlation between xn and y of n, find the convolution between xn and y of minus n. Then that will give you the cross correlation. Okay? So similarly, autocorrelation is what? Autocorrelation is, in place of yn, you just write xn. Okay. It is the comparison convolution between convolution of same signal, correlation between two same signal, xn and xn minus l. So in this case, it will be convolution between xn and, can anybody tell, in autocorrelation, what is the, how it is related to convolution? Can anybody tell? Anybody please respond.
Sir, I don't have ideas.
Harshvardhan?
Sir, I don't have ideas, sir.
See, you have, suppose you know the program for convolution between two sequences. Okay. You can write the program for correlation. Okay. But you change the sequence this way, that just to reverse the time axis, okay, and find the convolution. So here it is, you just note down this formula, that RXYL, okay, RXYL, which means cross correlation. Okay, this is actually equal to convolution between XL and y of minus L, or xn y of minus n, not y of n. If it is y of n, then it will be convolution, not correlation. And in case of autocorrelation, okay, it will be xn, the convolution between xn and x of minus n. Okay. So this way you write, and seeing these two program, seeing these two equation, you try to write the program. Okay, and also you can take the help of one inbuilt function of MATLAB, that is x cross. Okay, x cross function is there, which I can show you that one x cross function is there that can be used to find the convolution correlation. Yes. XCOR, XCORR. Okay. This is the inbuilt command to find the correlation between two sequences. Xcore, but you can use this for validating your answer. Okay, but you have to use the program for convolution that you have used. You have not done your program for convolution. How will do the program for correlation? Okay. So today I have explained this one. Okay, the proper uh, uh, theory for correlation. Okay, so now you can start writing your program. Okay, for correlation. So those who have not understood the the correlation function, again I am explaining this. As cross correlation is is between two different signals, okay, xn and yn. One remains same, xn remains same, and other is varied. Okay, so for different values of L, you have to find the you have to vary L, and you can find the value. Okay. So this is the cross correlation, and autocorrelation is what? Autocorrelation is if the two signals are same, like xn, so that this time it becomes rxs, okay, rxs of L. So it is summation x of n minus L. And one important property for convolution is correlation is that correlation is convolution between one signal and one folded signal. Okay, XL and convolution between XL and Y of minus L, that is folded signal. So find it, and then you will get the program, get the answer, and compare it with your inbuilt command xcore. Okay, and take any two sequence that you have chosen for convolution. Okay, then it will be better to understand the difference. The examples that you have chosen, examples of two sequence x1 and x2 or x and y. Okay, the same two sequence you use and find the correlation. Okay, correlation, and plot the results and compare the results of convolution and correlation. Okay, and also you can verify your result by means of using the command xcore, okay, that is given in MATLAB. So anybody has doubt regarding this? Sauji?
Yes, Somnathji.
Yes. So I have explained the theory for correlation. So if you want to tell us some other thing, then you can tell.
Yeah, that's okay. I think let them to do. So we'll be here for another some time. So if anyone is having any query, they can ask us, or we'll ask after some time randomly anyone. So they will show their code. At least we'll see any one of their code how they are doing it correctly or not. Okay.
So I ask what is his name? Shashank.
No, sir, convolution was completed, sir. This code is not completed, sir.
This code, nothing is done there. Only one sequence, you have to flip it. That's it. So the results, is it coming same?
So I have taken two input sequences over here. 1, 2, and 3.
So the
Like-
command window, yes, yeah. Now we can see. What are the two sequence? One is 1, 2, 3. Another is 3 to 1.
The same the sequence that you have taken for the previous experiment, that is convolution. Okay. The same sequence you take.
For previous experiment, I have taken input from user only.
Okay, so now you are doing, I think, autocorrelation.
Yes, sir.
This one, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us check in the autocorrelation again. Can you show the result?
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Now that command window, show that result. Now just now you show us.
Sir, the 1, 2, 3 is the first sequence, and 3 to 1 is second sequence.
What is the autocorrelation then?
Then
Autocorrelation
this is a normal convolution which I have like using a convolution function, and this is using the inbuilt XCOR function.
So 3, 8, 14, 8, 3. These are the convolution output.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you do the correlation output. Correlation, do the correlation.
Oh, 1 minute, sir.
Okay, and the first one is the through the code.
Sir, I should flip the sequence and I have to input it, sir.
Yes. Flipping, then you have to input both flipped one and the original one. Then only you can find the autocorrelation. Nah? You need two sequence.
So the first output is from the convolution and the second output is from autocorrelation.
Have you flipped the sequence?
Yes, sir.
Where it is?
Sir, first sequence I have taken 1, 2, 3, and second sequence I have taken 3, 2, 1.
No. Suppose in convolution you take sequence, you find the convolution between 1, 2, 3. Okay, one sequence, and another say one sequence is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and another sequence you take 1, 2, 3 in convolution. So xn is 1, 2, 3, 4, and hn is 1, 2, 3. Now while performing correlation, okay, you take xn the same, take 1, 2, 3, 4, and the hn you take 3, 2, 1. That is the flipped one. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So you take x is equal to where you have taken. So
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Initial starting one you show.
In the command window, sir.
No, that program.
Program I have taken A as the input from user and B as the second input.
Okay. Then you have written convolution. Here convolution, but in the same program or in different program you make it here correlation.
Sir, I have used the correlation function also here.
No, it is correlation function, but I am asking
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
use
sir.
the convolution.
Okay.
Program for convolution. Use the program that made for convolution. Don't use function call here, it will create problem. Okay, make it separate. Make it a separate program.
Yes, sir. Function is in separate program and experiment is in separate program.
No, it's okay. I am asking. Okay, you have made convolution for separate program and experiment 5 for separate program. Okay, so starting में क्या है experiment 5 का starting में input 2 sequence you are given. Okay, 2 sequence. Okay,
Yes, sir.
then you flip the sequence B automatically through the program. Where you have written that?
I did
you
not
have
write it, sir. I have not written, sir.
So you just, I think in MATLAB one command is there that helps you to flip the sequence. Okay, not by manually.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I think flip command or reverse command like that thing is there. Flip is there. Yes, input is given, input is taken. Then after that command B is equal to input, you write the code. Okay, write the code. B is equal to small b. Small b1, not only B. Just write B, it will be replaced. Okay, B is equal to flip LR. Flip LRB. Okay, then semicolon. Now it will be stored and B. So it will now become H of minus N. Okay. Then when you call the convolution function, okay, and or other will remain as it is. Go to the convolution function, whether you have written wrongly, rightly or not. Let me check. Okay, function convolution, then zeros. Okay, with zeros. Okay, ठीक है अब फिर experiment में जाओ, go to the experiment. This one. Yeah, this one. Okay, now at the at the end you come, and where you are storing displaying the graph data, Yes, yes, X score. So before that, you कहाँ पे है वो store display कहाँ हो रहा है? The previous result using the convolution. Go above. Answer. Yes, you display answers. Here you have displayed the answer. Yes, go down. Yes, yes. Here you have you plotted X core? Yes. Then you see, now you run the program. Okay. Or you can check the data also, no problem. No, yes, sequence 1, yes. Then sequence 2, yes. And both, this is your, and are the same?
No, sir.
Okay, then there is problem in your program. Your convolution result, your correlation out of convolution program, and these are not matching, and your command is not matching.
Sir, I will try using inbuilt function. So using the inbuilt function also, this is not coming out to be same.
Okay. So check your results B, both B. Okay. Both the B's. This is okay, B input, and this B, last B. What is the last B? It is calculated after flipping.
So
After flipping, B. Just
B.
command.
Okay.
Command
B.
window. You write B. Command window.
Oh yes, sir. I've just forgot. B is coming out to be 3, 2, 1.
1, 2, 3 is flipped to 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. That means 1, 2, 3 is 3, 2, 1. Let me check.
Sir, autocorrelation is the delayed of the input signal, right, sir?
Same signal. One, two, three. One minus 1, 3. Let me check. 1. Scores between. Scores between. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you are calculating X code with the flipped one, no?
Sir, the values came out to be same, sir.
No. Problem. Try to understand the problem. While using Xcode, you don't use B. You use the original B, not flipped one. Understand?
Yes, sir.
There is a mistake that yes, you change that variable. No. While using yes, no. Again, you are creating confusion. You keep that sequence
Yes.
B as it is. You keep this B. Okay. Then here. What we are doing. Yes.
So the values are coming out to be same, but this Xcore is showing
Now
another.
it is coming. Now it is coming properly. 3. No, I am that time that was the problem. Uh, yes, in correlation, yes, some additional term is appearing. Okay. Minus 0 kind of that.
Yes, sir. But this
Yes.
is
Yes. So for that case, what we can do, we can use the index, the indexing.
yes, sir.
Index you should have started from means origin starting value you should have to mention, then only it will work properly. Or make the two sequence same may work also. No, it is four, make two sequence of same length, then it will not create problem. Understand? Shashank,
Yes, sir.
make two sequence of same length. Take one example like I am showing in the screen. Okay. Let me show in the screen. Uh, All of you, please see the program that I have written. Yes. I have taken one sequence x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And I have kept the provisions for putting the starting value or origin. Okay. That can be given or cannot be given, but actually you can use better. It is better to make it generalized, but for this sake of understanding, we have just assuming that the index origin is at the starting value. Okay, so x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. First sequence. Second sequence is h1, that is 2, 3, minus 1, 1. Okay. Then I have flipped the sequence. H is equal to flip LR or flip any command. Then this N1 or N2 not that much needed, but you can use or not. That depends on you. Then according to the function of according to that this convolution form the program, we have this code is written, and lastly I have calculated the correlation between x and h1, that is the original sequence, not the flipped sequence. So if I run this, okay, then you see the result. So previously the convolutions comes, correlations by our program comes 1, 1, 4, 9, 9, 18, 8, 1, 18, 8, and using the command xcode, it is coming same, that is 1, 1, 4, 9, 9, 18, 8. These two are same array. So it is working if both the sequence are of same length, that we can see. So you have to make the sequence of same length, otherwise it will not work. So let for our कौन सा प्रोग्राम था, ये पे जो अभी प्रॉब्लम था उनका 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 0, ठीक है, ये से ओरिजिनल सिग्नल है, ओरिजिनल सिग्नल इसको, हाँ अभी देखो, अभी दोनों का देखो रिजल्ट, अभी मैच कर रहा है कि नहीं? ये स्टार्टिंग में 0 आ गया, ये मैच कर रहा है, स्टार्टिंग में 0 और 3, 8, 14, ठीक है ना अभी शशांक?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood what I am telling?
Yeah, yes, sir.
You have to make
This-
the length of both the sequence same, then only it will work. और किसी का प्रोग्राम देखना है? The same convolution program, but अच्छा अभी क्या है, ये कोरिलेशन हो गया, ठीक है ना? कॉन्वोल्यूशन के लिए ये ऑटो कोरिलेशन है, ये अभी क्या है, ये ऑटो कोरिलेशन, अभी ऑटो कोरिलेशन का हम दिखाते हैं, ये हो गया क्रॉस कोरिलेशन। क्रॉस कोरिलेशन का ये प्रोग्राम है। अब ऑटो कोरिलेशन के लिए सेम सिग्नल x and x, so we are just copying this thing, okay, and making the other one commented. So auto correlation started, but in auto correlation the second sequence should be as the past sequence. x1 is h1 is equal to x. ठीक है, अब रन करते हैं. देखो अभी देखो ये हो गया 4 1 1 20 30 20 11 4. अब ये रन कर गया. इसको प्लॉट करना बेटर है, दोनों सीक्वेंस को, तीन चीज को प्लॉट कर देना है. You have to plot the all results, two sequence and their convolutions or correlations, both autocorrelation and cross correlations, and compare all these three: convolution, cross correlation, autocorrelation. Understand? Graphically. Clear है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I am sharing the program. I will upload. Will I upload the program that I have made?